Welcome to day 3 of 7 days to a focused mind. Over the past 2 days, you've learned to anchor your focus with the breath and release distractions with ease. Today, we'll deepen your practice by exploring the art of mindful observation. Mindful observation is about paying attention to what's happening in the present moment, your thoughts, sensations, and surroundings without judgment. This practice helps you sharpen your attention and become more attuned to the world around you. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, rest your hands, and gently close your eyes if that feels right for you. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let's begin. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Feel the air as it flows in through your nose and out through your mouth. Notice the rhythm of your breathing, steady and natural. Allow yourself to settle into this moment, using your breath as an anchor to connect with the present. Now, gently expand your awareness to the sounds around you. Take a moment to notice the layers of sound. Perhaps the hum of the air, the faint rustling of leaves, or distant noises in the background. Don't judge or label these sounds. Simply let them come and go, like waves gently lapping at the shore. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to the act of listening. Let's take a few moments together to observe the sounds around you. Now, shift your attention inward to the physical sensations in your body. Notice where your body is in contact with the ground or the chair you're sitting on. Feel the weight of your hands resting in your lap or by your sides. Notice any areas of tension, warmth, or coolness. There's no need to change anything. Just observe. As you explore these sensations, imagine you're shining a gentle light of awareness on your body, observing each detail with curiosity and calm. Take your time. Finally, let's turn our attention to the thoughts that arise in your mind. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing through a wide, open sky. When a thought appears, simply notice it. You might even label it. Thinking, worrying, or planning. There's no need to engage with the thought or push it away. Just let it float by and bring your focus back to your breath. Let's take a few moments to practice observing your thoughts without judgment, returning to your breath each time your mind wanders. As we come to the end of this practice, take a moment to reflect. What did you notice during this observation? Were there certain sounds, sensations, or thoughts that stood out? Mindful observation is a powerful tool to sharpen your focus. By simply noticing what's happening around and within you, you train your mind to stay present and engaged. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the room. Thank you for joining us today. Tomorrow, we'll build on this practice by exploring how to align your focus with your goals using visualization. Until then, carry this sense of mindfulness with you into your day.